Hey, 8th grade students, this is Mr. Bridges here at Dallas Ranch Middle School, and we're going to show you how to register for your electives in 9th grade. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Aeries account. Once you're in your Aeries account, go to the upper left corner where your name appears and select the school that you'll be attending. You can click on Classes and Course Entry, and then you'll be able to select the elective that you'd like. On the right-hand side, there's a section where you can enter the course number or just click Search to see all courses available. The only ones that you're going to be able to select are the electives, and that was on the registration form that was given to you at the assembly. On this form, you'll see all the different academies available at Deer Valley. On the form, focus at the box that has the academy that you will be attending. In yellow arrow is for the Law Academy, which does not have an elective available. All students will take the same elective. If you're interested in taking a 0 period, you have to choose from Leadership, Yearbook, or Avid. Once you have chosen your elective, click on it, and it will confirm by asking you to request as your primary elective. Once you've clicked Request Primary, it'll show up on your schedule. If you make a mistake, just click on the trash can. It will delete that elective, and then you can choose your preferred elective to replace it. Well, all right, 8th graders, hopefully that was helpful, and good luck next year, whatever elective you choose.